So guys, nanami karon sa bird show. Bird show na nila. So medyo banha. Pero niya amo na siyang i-video na mo ang tibok na scene. Tibok na show guys. So kumani makita para inyo makita no. So andam na mo sa among video. Makita niyo niya. Thank you.
Let us all start the show by welcoming our flag racing bird bandit. Now bandit is a green-winged macaw. As you can see, their body is covered with mostly red plumage. Their wings and tail feathers are blue and green. This macaw has white naked face stripped with small red feathers. Now these birds are actually the second largest parrot next to the hyacinth macaw. And there you have it folks, our show has officially started. So how about a big round of applause for our flag racing bird, Bandit!
Ocean Park's Amphitheater. I am Irvin, your host for today. Now for the next part of the show, I'll be needing one adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill. Any adult volunteer with a 500 peso bill? Just raise your hands. Any adult? Yes, ma'am? Alright. Maayong hapon, ma'am. May I have your name, please? Have your name, please, ma'am?
Romie po.
A round of applause for volunteer Miss Romie. Now, ma'am, stand right here. Then face me. Extend your left arm like this. Left arm up. As I insert your money between your fingers.
Blue.
Now, ma'am, do you have any idea what will happen next? So, to give us all an idea, here comes our money bird, Blue! Blue can detect if the money is fake or not. So, Blue, shall we? Blue flies over, gets the money. Blue flies back, and what will Blue do with the money? Blue will donate the money! A round of applause for our donor! Now ma'am, I have a question for you. Did you know that Cebu Ocean Park is also a wildlife rescue center for animals? Well, now you know, and your money will go a long, long way. We're very grateful, ma'am. Thank you so much! Another round of applause for our very generous donor. Salamat, ma'am. Bukol makiknaong si mami. How about a 1,000 peso bill this time? Anyone? Come on, guys. Donation for the animals. Excuse me, Ma'am Romie. Are you okay, ma'am? Are you sure? But you look so sad, ma'am. No, ma'am, we're just kidding. It's just part of the show. Please come back here in front and we'll give you your money back. But before we will give you your money back, Blue would like to have a photo session with you. Alright, just ready your camera. Right, give us your best pose and smile together with Blue. There you go. Use your money, ma'am. Another round of applause for our volunteer and our money bird, Blue. Now guys, I have here an object which I will hide under one of these 3 silver cups. So where do you want me to put this object? On your left, right, or in the middle? Again, left, right, or middle? Alright, let's put it right here. Now let's call in our psychic bird, Goldie. Goldie is our blue and gold macaw. Blue and gold macaw are a member of the large parrot family. They can grow up to 80 centimeters in length and can live up to 70 years old. Now guys, if you think Goldie can find the hidden object, let me hear you cheer. You can do it, Goldie! Alright Goldie, find the hidden object for us please. Goldie is looking. Voila! She found it! A round of applause for our psychic bird, Goldie with Jenny. Now our next featured birds are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, isn't it? But as any couples would attest, in a relationship there will always be battles. Now let's meet Blue and Goldie, our beautiful pair of blue and gold macaw. And today they will battle it out who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'd like to divide you guys into two groups. For all the girls, let's cheer for Goldie. Come on girls, say Goldie, Goldie.
Goldie, Goldie.
Alright, now for the boys, let's cheer for Blue. Come on boys, say Go Blue, Go Blue. Alright, so you guys ready? So, first ready, trainers ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for them. Here comes Blue with his first ball. Blue leading the way, followed by Goldie. Second ball for Blue. And the last ball, Blue wins this game. That's alright, Goldie. So, Jenny, you guys lost this game. What can you say?
Hey PJ, let's do another race.
Oh, she wants another race.
Are you sure about that? Do you want Goldie lose again?
Uh-oh.
Well, this time I guarantee that Goldie will win.
Heated fight, huh?
So, what race do you have in mind?
Yeah, what race?
Well, I'm thinking of a ring race.
Ring race. What's a ring race?
The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner. That is the ring race.
So a ring race it shall be. Now remember, boys already have 1 point, so let's cheer louder for Goldie to win this time. And we'll be doing this again with our ring race. So you guys ready for the second round? Right, first ready, trainers ready, set, go! Come on guys, let's cheer for Goldie. Here comes Blue leading the way again. First ball, first ring for Blue. Oh hey, what's this? 3 rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is... Wow, what was that? 3 rings at the same time, Trainer Peter. What can you say?
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, did you guys cheat?
We didn't cheat. Goldie used her brain.
So is it true that girls are more intelligent than the boys?
Yes.
Alright, let's give it up for Blue and Goldie with Peter and Jenny. They are widespread in the forest and open woodlands of Northern and Central America. They typically feed on seeds, nuts, fruits, salts, and minerals along the riverbanks. There you go, pretty intelligent, right? Another round of applause for our green macaw, Bandit with Peter. Now for the last part of the show, I'll be needing again 1 adult volunteer. I need a female this time. No more money involved. Yes, ma'am? Please join us here on stage. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we have a variety of animals. We ensure to give them the best care we can give. The foods they eat are guaranteed fresh and healthy for them. Please stand right here, ma'am. Mayong hapon. May I have your name, please?
Vivi.
A round of applause for our volunteer, Miss Vidi. Now, Miss, you're about to meet Savvy. Do you have any idea what kind of animal Savvy is?
I'm not sure.
So to give you an idea, Savvy is our cutest, fluffiest, and most gorgeous animal here in Cebu Ocean Park. Are you ready to meet her, Miss?
Sure? Yeah.
So if you're ready, then let's call in Savvy! Right. Again, Savvy! Ladies and gentlemen, it appears that we have a little situation here as Savvy is missing from her enclosure. But don't you worry guys, our personnel are already looking for her.
Seryoso?
Where could she be? Wasn't that Savvy flying earlier, PJ? White Eagle? Anybody here saw a white eagle while the show was going on?
Yeah.
Where could she be?
Nag-mall pa. Laag pa sa mall.
Box. Oh. Mom Jeanette said she's in a box. Anybody here saw a box? There. Okay. Just please don't open it, ma'am. Savvy might fly away.
Ay, naadid ito.
Ganda kong bata.
Oh God. How is she? No more feathers. Put her there. All right, please bring her out. Aha! Our Savannah monitor lizard, Savvy, made it to the grasslands of Africa. Savannah monitor lizards are the smaller cousins of the Komodo dragons. Alright ma'am, isn't she the fluffiest? Alright. You'll have a photo session with Savvy. Alright. So ma'am, can you take a photo? Alright. Just follow trainer Peter's instructions. Savannah monitor lizards have a fork-like tongue which enables them to smell air particles. Alright. Give us your best pose and smile together with Savvy. Alright sir, we good? Now ma'am, before you go back, is this your first time handling a lizard that big? Yeah. Congratulations for conquering your fear. Thank you so much. Another round of applause for a very brave volunteer. And our Savannah monitor, Savvy, with Peter. Here in Cebu Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We're not only trying to take care of our friends in the ocean, but also in the land and air as well. Who here knows the 3 R's of the proper waste disposal? It's the reduce, reuse, and recycle. Very good. Here comes our lovely birds once again, as they're going to show us how to do the proper waste disposal. It helps our environment clean and fresh, saves the earth from pollution. Sad to say that a lot of animals are struggling their everyday lives due to climate change and global warming. See, if birds can do it, then why can't we? Ladies and gentlemen, that's the end of our show. Are the animals spectacular?
Yes!
Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from extinction. And please, let's do our part in saving this world, because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present to you the animals and trainers that made this show possible. We have trainer Jenny with Goldie, trainer Peter with Bandit, Miss Jeanette, our DJ, along with the other staff here in Cebu Ocean Park. This is me again, Irvin. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye!
Nagbabay mo.
For those of you who just came in, our next show will be at 5 p.m. Again, for those of you who just came in, our next show will be at 5 p.m.
guys, mga na to, nakita ninyo ang kining bird show. So nakita niyo nailad dito si Romie. Nailad siya, nakahatag siya 500.
Tag 500.
Pero katong 500,
Ibalik na
it's
po.
part of the show lang to siya guys. So, murag, naad yung mga blessings nga ni abot kanamo. Sugad pa atong gahapon, antod karon. Kay sa kadaghan tao, si Romie ang napili atong katong mag-present dito sa sa bird katong 500. So nalibot na namo tanan ang Ocean Park. Cebu Ocean Park ba? So nalibot na namo tanan ang Cebu Ocean Park. Then mauna na among last vlog, I mean dili na among last vlog pero mauna among vlog sa diri nga lugar. Then mo balhin na pud mi dito sa Snow World karon pod. So abangin mi ninyo dito. Daghang salamat.